So ito yung situation ngayon dito sa Region 1. Now, relatedly, yung mga incident na nangyari ngayon, collectively shared ng ating mga member agencies, specifically DSWD, also that of PIA, yung naitutulong ni Ma'am Role every now and then, na nagbibigay din sa akin ng report niya. So we gathered these related incidents, if I may share, a total 52 flooding incidents have been monitored since day one. Ngayon, from this, 11 flooded areas in Dagupan City and La Union are already receding. And 11 flooded areas in Pangasinan and La Union have already subsided. So yung rain-induced landslide in Naguilian naman, La Union has already been cleared through the help ng ating LGUs and that of yung sa ating DPWH. Now, affected population, we have 5,259 families or 19,263 persons affected. We have 257 families from these 5,259 accommodated sa ating 19 evacuation centers region-wide. Likewise, 274 families ay nandun sa kanilang mga kamag-anak. Doon sila temporarily reside. So sa casualties naman, meron tayong isang drowning incident sa Alaminos. Now under validation ng ating DILG Region 1. So sa ating mga lifelines and infrastructures, roads and bridges, a total of 47 road sections and 3 bridges were affected. 29 road sections and all 3 bridges have already been cleared and now passable. Clearing operations continue on the remaining affected road sections. As of this morning, yung road connecting Bagulin to San Fernando, medyo yun ang isang binabantayan kasi may road slip or something slope na nag-erode along the way. So we will give you feedback again if ito ay pwede nang madaanan or safe na madaanan.